How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet, the steps are quite simple. Download and install the latest version of the application and then log in by using your credentials or the biometrics. Here you will land to the home page where you can see different tokens and the cryptos. Next up, you have to tap on the token whose wallet address you'd like to receive. For that, just tap on any of the crypto of your choice and it should take you to another page. On this page, you will have to click on the receive button and then it will give you a QR scan code. Just copy the code and this is your wallet address for the Trust Wallet for the related token. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.